Kobe was more loud.
Dear Theo and Zoe, we try to involve Kobe in as many family activities as we can, but sometimes that's just not possible. He used to be the center of our attention, but with you two on board now, he gets the short end of the stick most times. On this day, while you two were at daycare, I intentionally booked time in the afternoon to take Kobe on a field trip to the farm. Kobe's as low maintenance as they come, and I take that for granted, so today I plan to give him my full attention. At the farm, Kobe seemed at ease and happy, relaxing on the grass and enjoying his surroundings. When we got back, you could tell Kobe had worked up an appetite. I had planned to make lamb lollipops that day, which you two love, so there was a low probability of any leftovers for Kobe. As a family, we're very fortunate to have Kobe, so let's try and create some luck in his favor for a change.
Two more tournaments.
You're always finding your own way. You love riding on a train. Don't know how I found.
Wow, colors are wow.
I guess that dreams come true when you least expect them to. Ain't life funny? How did
What is that?
I get so lucky? Dancing in the rain.
Mona, Kobe?
Never mind a cloudy day. Make the world a better place. You love dancing in the rain. Don't
Kobe, you go?